For the first 12 months after buying new jeans, don't wash them in the washing machine. Manufacturers forbid this. Even the boss of the iconic Levi's brand says in interviews, a good pair of jeans doesn't need to be washed in the machine. It turns out that new jeans should be refreshed in a different way. Traditional washing is not only not recommended, but can also ruin them. So, what should you do? Fold the pants into a square? Then, prepare a garbage bag or a mesh bag. Put the jeans inside, tie it tightly, and place it in the freezer overnight. Why, according to the head of the jeans-producing brand, is there a reason why it's better not to wash them in the machine? Raw denim is at its best 6 months before washing. The longer you can go without washing them, the better your jeans will look. It's all because the dye wears off in places where natural creases form, sitting, putting your phone or hands in the pockets. These little everyday things will make your jeans look great. Keeping pants in the freezer refreshes them. The sub-zero temperature kills bacteria and microorganisms, thus removing any unpleasant odor. Interestingly, wearing such pants is not unhygienic at all, and there is scientific evidence to support this. Researchers from the University of Alberta found that pants not washed for over a year have exactly the same amount of bacteria on them as regularly washed ones.